Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Crunch. Now we are on 7th lecture, that is time variant and time invariant systems. Let's start. First of all, what are time variant and time invariant systems? Time variant systems are the system which vary with time when time delay operations are performed on it. So whenever there is operation on time of delay, then we have time variant systems. So let's see by an example. Y of yt is equal to x of 2t. So first of all, we'll be providing delay to output, that is t minus t naught. So y of t minus t naught, it will be x2 t minus t naught. Now just remember y t x of 2t, right? Now x of 2t means the operation will be on time. So t minus t naught will be only on time. It will be like this. Now let's start. First of all, we'll be providing delay y of t minus t naught. Again, simplifying it to provide. When we provide delay to input, x of t minus t naught, but both of these are not same, so it is time variant system. Time is varying, right? Now y of t is equal to x of cos t. Again, cos of t minus t naught again will be delaying LHS and RHS time variant system. For tan t, it will be time variant system. So basically, if we have time scaling, then it will be time variant system. Next, y of t cube is equal to xt. So y of t minus t cube, again t cube minus t naught, t minus t naught, which is not equal, so it is time variant. Cos t into xt, it will be time variant. So remember, if we have operation on time or amplitude shift, both of them will be time variant signals. So if we have even coefficient cos of t minus t naught, this is also will not be equal to y of t minus t naught, so it will be time variant system. E of minus t into x of t, so e of minus t will be minus t minus t naught. This is also time variant. This will also not come equal. This is also not same. So whenever there is operation on time, we just look at one example. We have e of, now look at this example. We have e of minus t and e of minus 2k, right? We have these coefficients. In this, we will be putting t minus t naught, which will make it not same. Now e of minus 2k, this will not change. Why? Because it doesn't have t in this. So this will be time invariant system. Yt 2t plus xt. Again putting the values, it is time variant. Xt plus 1, xt minus 1 time invariant when we'll be solving it. So remember, when system has added subtracted quantity which is time dependent, like e of minus t plus any of the signal, it will be time variant. If we have coefficient which is function of time, it will also be time variant. If we have coefficient which is constant, like e of minus 2k as we saw earlier, it will be time invariant. Integration will be time invariant. If it doesn't have any time term in, so basically if we have time term in any of the signal which is varying, it will be a time variant signal. Now split systems, condition on time is always time variant. So split systems are always variant because it will be dependent on time. So if you see any split system, it will be time variant. So I hope this is now clear, time variant and time invariant systems. Thank you.